So if I can figure out what it goes to, I might be able to part this out. Like these cardboard pieces, who knows? They could be a bolo. Somebody could be looking for these. You just never know. But I don't know what it goes to. So my dollhouse experts, can anybody help me out? All right, so this was at the bins. Let's see what we have in here. These look like some sort of wall, like the different wallpapers you can put in. Maybe you build a structure with this. Not certain. I was more interested in this stuff right here, and condition is a little rough. I'm not seeing any markings. So what I thought was going to be incredible may not be. So yeah, I don't know. I thought this was gonna be something really amazing. I'm totally bummed. That could be a table. It looks like this stuff is just like completely fallen apart. No markings whatsoever. So much for my super score, right? Now, can I still make money? Probably, but it's not what I had hoped for at all. This is kind of cool. It's a vintage stove. I just don't understand why there's no marks whatsoever. It's like everything's been destroyed. Huh. Like, what does that go to? There's another duck picture. Yep. Just taken apart. Completely destroyed. Ooh. Let's get rid of that. That's sharp. There's an old lamp. Huh. Who would do such a thing? Who would do such a thing? Just take it all apart. Huh. Well, I'll probably, I mean, I'll make my money back with just these little things right here, but this is definitely not what I expected. This is a little sink faucet. Are these like bathtubs? Big bummer. If anybody recognizes any of this stuff, let me know in the comments of the video, because I don't know. I was hoping for a home run, but I'm feeling like the right person is going to have to want this and deal with it. So if anybody has any idea, let me know. There's a bunch of like little things down here. I mean, I'm sure I can part it out and do okay, but I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. Wait, what on earth are these? Huh? Those are different. So yeah, these little like things are kind of fun. I'll have to dig through this a little more thoroughly. There's another, I thought it was a mirror, but it's actually the front of probably one of these pieces right here. This probably fits into it. Like, why did somebody destroy all this stuff? I don't understand. Huh. All right, who's going to be the first to identify what set this goes with? So odd. I mean, I could sell the toilets. I think this is probably some sort of bathtub. So how would you guys list it? What would you sell it for? Would you just like do an auction and start it low and let somebody make an offer? Would you part it out? I mean, somebody who does dollhouse stuff, I'm sure that this would be cool because some of these, you know, these colors are great. So this here, I'm gonna guess goes on the bottom of this chair. Probably fits right in there, and then you make a chair out of it. But it looks like a whole lot of work, and I feel like I'd rather just sell it all to one person. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. All right, I'm gonna try to get some shots of some of the smaller stuff down here on the bottom. So you see how these blue circles, I think these are the legs. I don't know if I can identify. Oh, look at this. What's this? Is this like a TV? That looks kind of cool. If I can identify what this goes to, like at first I saw it and I thought maybe it was marks, but now I'm like, marks is usually marked on the bottom, but here's a little sink that actually has the piece on it. I don't know, I just don't know what to do. I'm not usually like stumped. And then I think these pieces might build, I'm guessing like a square structure, and then you can change or maybe a floor, the color of the cardboard. I mean, if I can figure out what it goes to, these cardboard pieces might be a bolo. Who knows? So help me out, guys. Help me out.